plan for tonight is to strip the front of the DC2 down again, to the point where Ethan can come round and replace the drive shaft for me, because I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. I'm not sure if it's drive shaft itself, the inner joint, or if it's the half shaft bearing. Could be either of those things. When I jack it up, I'll give the half shaft a bit of a shake and see if that has play in the bearing, and then we'll just go from there, I guess. I'm not really too sure what I'm doing, so it's just kind of an experiment. We're going to head up to Joe's as well to get a 32mm socket, because I ain't got one and I need one to get the hub nut off again, and I can't keep borrowing one off Josh every time, so I'm going to get it on off Joe this time. So I'll try and film a bit of his EG as well, so I can give you a catch up on the EG, because it's pretty much done now, which is awesome, so we'll check that out too. Stick around. DC2 just chilling in the garden. DC5 was in the garage last night, so got too many fucking cars, man.
Can do. So let's see what Alan's actually given me, shall we? Actually, fucking thing.
Alright, so I'm going to get the wheels off, get the front in the air, see if I can get underneath and shake the half shaft to see if it's the bearing, and if it is, strip it down, and if it isn't, strip it down anyway, because I still need to take the drive shaft out. So yep. So because my car is so low, I actually have to use and I haven't got a low entry jack. I have to jack it up using the standard Integra one that comes from the factory. Not ideal. I guess some of you are probably starting to realise that I should really invest in some tools, some proper tools. And yes, I agree. Sorry. Cool. I need to determine whether that is the half shaft or the drive shaft. So I'm going to try and not die here. But oh God, it would be so good to have a ramp. That feels solid. Tiny little bit, but is that normal? Because I don't fucking know. It don't feel that bad. Don't feel bad at all. Well, I'm not really sure what I was expecting to find then, but I thought if the bear with me. Oh fucking hell! I thought if the half shaft bearing had gone, then that would wobble a bit, which it didn't. So I guess I'm just going to strip it down and have a look. Yeah. Right, just that one left.
It's called the power down playlist. It happens after 8 o'clock. You want
Right, that's as much as I can do here. So now we'll go to Joe's, get a 32mm, and go from there.